show you how to make a quick dinner for two, but that's only if you keep watching this video. So the first thing you want to do is take some chicken thighs, season them down, paprika, salt, iron powder, garlic powder, sage, turmeric, all of that. Sear it in a pan with some olive oil on both sides. You want to finish this in a 400-degree preheated oven for 10 minutes. Corn, super simple. Boil it with some water while your chicken is cooking so you can multitask. Season up some mushrooms and saute them up in the same pan that you seared your chicken in. For the broccoli, it's super simple. Butter, salt, ranch, seasoning. Finish off your chicken thighs, your broccoli, your corn, and mushrooms all in the oven. In the next 5 minutes, you're good to go. I use this organic white rice from Trader Joe's. It takes about 3 minutes in the microwave. I like to cook rice on the stove for 3 minutes. And one thing my pastor wife said that was so powerful is that you come to church as you are. Yes, that is true. But you don't stay as you are. You have to let Christ in to be renewed and transformed. Amen. God bless you. Bye.